Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's right, baby.
At least he finally won something.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. We're going first, okay? Let's set the tone. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go, push! Push, come on!
Come on, drive. Chop your feet. Chop your feet. Chop your feet.
Let's go!
There you go, push.
Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Come on. Come on. Push. Burn it. Burn it. We got to get all the way to the cone. Keep going. We're not there yet. All the way. We're almost there. Done. Stop. Let's go. Right there. That's what's up. Don't tell them our time. We got 36 seconds. So that's good. You guys gotta beat 40.
40 seconds.
Just 40. Good luck.
40 seconds?
Yeah, good luck. Good luck. You got it. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
I do, gotta win.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that's slow.
As the construction workers started off much slower than
boys,
us,
we got this.
I realized that
We
all
got
of the
this.
squats in the gym
We got this.
finally paid off.
Dude, look at them struggle. I'm not gonna lie, they are pushing it a little fast.
Let's go.
Yo, what the heck? Wait, what's happening right now? Oh my God, bro, we're screwed. We're screwed. You're kidding me. 27. Yo, 27. Yo, you guys got 45 seconds. You suck.
Ain't no way.
27 seconds. That is very impressive.
That's longer than normal for me.